Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom. I like to get into the kitchen and share with you easy, healthy, family-friendly recipes. Today, I'm sharing with you a summer staple, an Italian pasta salad. This easy Italian pasta salad is filled with flavor. It's made with olives, roasted red peppers, grape tomatoes, sweet onions, salami, and a homemade red wine vinaigrette. To start this pasta salad, bring a large stock pan of water to a rapid boil. Salt the water heavily. Add in rotini noodles and boil according to package directions. While your pasta is cooking, prepare your red wine vinaigrette. In a blender, combine extra virgin olive oil, oregano, salt, garlic, capers, and red wine vinegar. Blend until well combined and the capers have broken down. Once your pasta has finished cooking, drain your pasta. But please do not rinse your pasta. That will rinse away all the flavor and make it hard for the dressing to adhere to your noodles. Toss your cooked pasta with 1/4 cup of the red wine vinaigrette. At this time, you want to let your pasta cool to room temperature before you add the remaining dressing and ingredients. A tip to cool your pasta quickly is to spread it out onto a sheet pan. It will only take 10 to 15 minutes to reach room temperature if you use that trick. Next, add in sliced tomatoes, olives. I prefer a mixture of green and black olives, diced red or sweet onion, cubed salami or pepperoni, chopped roasted red peppers, and minced parsley. Toss well to combine all the ingredients. At this time, it's best to refrigerate your pasta salad for at least 4 hours before serving. Serve your pasta salad as a side dish to a summer meal or take to a summer potluck or barbecue. For this easy Italian pasta salad and more delicious family-friendly recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.